Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss a question named smallest number whose product of digits is n. Now we are given a positive number n and we need to find the smallest number s such that product of digits of s is equals to n. Now consider this example. If the value of n is 100, then my answer is going to be 5558. The product of all the digits 5 into 5 into 5 into 8, it is nothing but 125 into 8, that is 1000. So for 1000 this is going to be the smallest possible number. Now let's try to consider some examples first. If the value of n is 100, then what could be the answer in this case? So for 100 I need to consider some digits such that their product is equals to 100. So I can simply write it like 2, 2, 5 and 5. 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 2 is 10, and 10 into 10 it is going to be 100. So we can definitely consider this number. Can consider this number or a permutation of this number. Any permutation of this number. Basically we have to consider the smallest permutation. Alright, but apart from this, I can combine these two numbers also. That means we can get 455. And this is going to be the smallest number for which the product of digits is equals to n. Alright, so then there are two motivations. First we need to find the number which is having least number of digits, because we want to find the smallest one. Okay. So we want to find the number which is having least number of digits, and that number should be starting from smallest digit and ending at largest digit. That means digits must be arranged in sorted order. Alright, let's try to find the answer for 13. For 13, do we really have any number whose product of digits is equals to 13? A digit can range simply from 0 to 9. This is the range of a digit. And in order to multiply two digits such that their product is equals to 13, that means actually we are looking the factors of 13. Right? A single digit factors of 13. And 13 is a prime number. So we do not have any factors of 13 except 1 and 13. No single digit factors for 13. That is why we can say that in this case answer is not possible. Simply we can return -1. Similarly in this case also, the factors of 77 are 11 and 7. Can we represent this 11 using product of digits? Again we cannot represent this using product of digits, and this is a 2-digit number, right? This is a prime number, it cannot be represented by a product of digits. So again in the case of 77 it is not possible, so we need to return -1. All right, now let's discuss this case 81,000. So basically the idea is to use prime factorization. Now let's see, the value of n is 81,000. Prime factorization of this number is going to be 3 times 2, 4 times 3 and 3 times 5. Now what is the smallest possible number that you can make out of it? Let's see. So it should have least number of digits. That means we can combine certain factors. So I'm going to combine these three. 2 into 2 into 2, that is going to be 8. I can combine these two, it is going to be 9. I can combine these two, it is going to be 9. And we cannot combine 5 with any other factor. Alright. So in this way I am ensuring the least number of digits. Now consider the sorted order. So the smallest number is going to be Consider the sorted order. 3 times 5, then 8 and double 9. For 81,000, this is going to be my answer. So, how to find this answer? What should be the code? I should start checking from 9. My range of factors is from 2 to 9. This is my range. Factors can lie in this range from 2 to 9. So I need to start looking from the maximum number, whether this number is divisible by 9, then I will check it by 8, then I will check it by 7, and so on till 2. Right? So in this way, I am ensuring the least number of digits, and then I will make the smallest number. Now let's see how to do this. So I'm considering this range from 2 to 9, and we will start our division from 9. Now I will check if the number is divisible by 9. Yes, then divide the number by 9 and increase the counter. Now again I will check, is the number divisible by 9? Yes, increase the counter and divide the number by 9. Now again, is the number divisible by 9? No. So now I will check it with 8. If it is divisible by 8, yes, so divide it by 8. Now I will check if it is divisible by 8. No. Divisible by 7? No. Divisible by 6? No. Divisible by 5? Yes. So divide it. It get reduced to 25. Again it is divisible by 5. Again divide this. Now again it is divisible by 5. Again divide this and increase the counter. Okay, now it is not divisible by 4, neither by 3, neither by 2, and I'm now not checking it with 1. Great. Now how to find the smallest number? How to form that smallest number? I need to consider the sorted order from smallest to largest one. Okay, since it is not divisible by 2, neither by 3, neither by 4, it is divisible by 5. 3 times, then by 8, and then by 9. So by my answer is going to be 555,899. So I hope the idea is clear to every single person. And that's it for this video. We are going to code this approach in the next one. Alright, thank you very much.